Hello, and welcome to the crypto world. Today our topic is Bitcoin halving. In this video we will understand what Bitcoin halving is. How does it affect Bitcoin price? When does this halving happen? And in the end we will see the Bitcoin price action before and after the halving event, by analyzing the charts. So to simply understand this, watch this video till the end. So let's start with what is Bitcoin halving. The word halving means cutting into half. In this case, cutting the amount of Bitcoin rewards into half. To understand this further, we have to compare Bitcoin with fiat currency or paper currency. Fiat currency has an unlimited supply and it is controlled by central banks, which means governments decide how much money to be printed. Every time it prints more money, the currency devalues, which means the government can easily convert your savings in half, just by printing more money and devaluing the currency. That is why paper currency is inflationary. On the other hand, Bitcoin has a limited supply of 21 million. And the amount of new Bitcoin printing is fixed, and it is reduced to half after every halving event. All thanks to blockchain technology. To learn more about blockchain and how this technology works, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Now let's move to our second question. How does Bitcoin halving affect the price? Halvings reduce the rate at which new coins are created, and thus lower the amount of new supply. Even if demand remains constant, the prices will be expected to grow due to demand and supply theory. So now we know what Bitcoin halving is, how it affects the price. So let's move to the third question. When does it happen? The Bitcoin protocol is designed to add a new block to the blockchain every 10 minutes. And after completing 210,000 blocks, the miner reward is reduced to half, which is called halving. So with the speed of 10 minutes per block, it takes about 4 years to complete 210,000 blocks. Which means every 4 years Bitcoin halving happens. In 2009, when Bitcoin mining started, the block rewards were 50 Bitcoin. After 4 years, it was reduced to 25 Bitcoin per block. Or we can say, every 10 minutes. And this continued. As we speak, 6.25 Bitcoins mined and comes into supply every 10 minutes. And in 2024 the next Bitcoin halving is going to happen, which will further reduce the rewards to 3.12 Bitcoin per block, and it will continue till all 21 million Bitcoin will be mined, which is the total market cap of Bitcoin. At this speed Bitcoin will be mined till year 2114. 3 halving events have already taken place. Let's take a closer look at the Bitcoin halving price action on chart. 1 year before the first halving event, Bitcoin gained 385% in price. And 1 year after the first halving it gained 8,069%. And the trend continued. 1 year before the second halving, it gained 142%. And 1 year after the second halving it gained 284%. And the last halving event took place in May 2020. A year before it gained 17%. And a year after the event it gained 559% in price. The next halving event is expected to occur in early 2024. And that brings us to the end. I'd like to thank you for your time. Subscribe and press the bell icon to receive notification of my upcoming videos. In the next videos we will bring more topics about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. To watch the video in Urdu or Hindi language, click to the link given in description.